Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset AutoCAD settings by default. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so resetting the AutoCAD settings to default primarily to resolve issues caused by corrupted configurations, missing interface elements, or unstable behavior that may develop over time due to extensive customization or software updates. So by resetting profiles provide a clean, factory fresh starting point, which can help troubleshoot persistent errors, restore missing toolbars or palettes. So in order to do this, open up AutoCAD, and then on your design, just right click it, and then on the bottom a little pop-up will appear. Click onto options. Now once we're inside options, we need to go ahead and search profiles, and at the bottom go ahead and click on reset. Then once you've done that, go ahead and click on OK, and that's going to reset AutoCAD's settings to default.